In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're a team leader preparing to save your strategy session for later review, or a participant wanting to take accurate minutes, understanding how to record your meetings effectively can be a valuable skill. So, let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to go to Microsoft Teams and log in. If you haven't yet launched your Teams app, now is the time. After logging in, you'll want to navigate to the meeting you plan to record. Once you find it, click on Join Conversation. This action will allow you to enter the meeting space. Next, you'll see the Join Now button. Clicking this ensures that your audio and video settings are configured correctly, and you'll be officially part of the meeting. Make sure all your preliminary checks, like your microphone and camera settings, are in good condition to participate actively while you manage your recording. As you enter the meeting, you'll notice several control options at the top of the window. Look for the More Actions button, which should be easily visible. Clicking this button will provide you with a drop-down menu offering various options related to your meeting management. In this drop-down menu, you will find the option labeled Record and Transcribe. Selecting this option is crucial as it steps you into the specifics of setting up your recording. It's worth noting that recording your Teams meeting also gives you the option to transcribe, providing a written account of what was discussed alongside the visual and audio records. After selecting the Record and Transcribe option, you'll see a Start Recording choice. Clicking on Start Recording initiates the process. But before the recording begins, you might be prompted to engage with a few more setting choices. One of those is choosing your preferred language, which aids in better transcription accuracy and aligns with your meeting attendees' needs. Once you select your language, you're nearly ready to go. Simply click Confirm to save your settings. Then, all you need to do is wait a bit while Microsoft Teams starts the recording. You'll usually see a notification at the top of your meeting window confirming that recording is underway. Remember, while records finish automatically when the meeting ends, you can also manually stop the recording if needed. This is done by revisiting the More Actions menu and selecting Stop Recording. This flexibility ensures you capture the content you need without unnecessary footage. And that's it. Now you know how to record a meeting in Microsoft Teams, a straightforward process that ensures you don't miss a bad moment from your discussions. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more questions about utilizing Microsoft Teams, feel free to leave a comment below. See you next time.